Hello everybody, assalamu alaikum. I'm ready to make some tuna potato cakes. Get the stuff ready and let's work on it. So I have tuna cans, I have boiled potatoes, and I have chili, onion, cilantro to flavor it. Then I have salt, pepper flakes, and some garam masala. It's optional. So open the cans and just press down. You see the water? Drain it out. We don't need water in this tuna potato cakes. No पानी allowed. ओके तो हम टूना के कबाब बना रहे हैं. आप इसको पानी निकाल दें टूना कैन से, आलू को बॉईल कर लें और फिर इस तरह अनियन जो है उसको रेडी करें. ठीक है, तो टूना और पोटैटो के कबाब बना रहे हैं हम. Cake, patties, kebab, whatever you call it. So finely dice your onion because you don't want big chunks. मोटा मोटा टुकड़ा नहीं आए. We don't want any chunks. Okay, so I'm trying to dice it as finely as I can. One small onion will be good. Okay, so any chunks, just run the knife over it. Okay, this is mild green chili. One is going to be enough. I have some hot habanero peppers right behind there, you can see. If you want more heat, it's up to you. Heat आप कंट्रोल करते हैं, तो आपको पता है कि आपकी फैमिली कितनी हीट पसंद करती है. This pepper is sweet. ये मीठी मिर्च है. So I'm not going with anything too hot today, but I do have an option. This is cilantro. I chopped it up really nicely, around 2 tablespoons. Put everything into the potatoes in a big mixing bowl because we are going to mash them all together. Add the tuna to the potatoes, salt, garam masala, pepper flakes, cumin powder, and some freshly ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour if you want to make them nice and firm. मैंने इसमें थोड़ा सा मैदा डाला है, 1 चम्मच. उससे ये nice and firm डो जो है वो बन गया है. अच्छे से हमने उसको मिक्स कर लिया, मैश कर लिया. You see, it's so good now, just like Play-Doh. You can shape it any way you like. So that's what I was looking for. It's very good. We don't need any egg. Just put a little oil on your hands, rub a little oil, make a little ball. Excuse me. Just make a nice size ball and press it down. There you go. You have your patty. You can call it kebab, you can call it patty, you can call it cake. So wherever you are from, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's make all of them. Once we're done making them, we are going to fry them in a little bit of oil. We don't need any egg coating, any breadcrumb coating, anything. This mixture is perfect. So just a little oil to grease the pan. I'm using cast iron. Just add them one by one. Potatoes are already boiled and tuna is already cooked, right? So we don't need that much. Just you need to golden brown them. Once they are golden brown, turn it on the other side. Both sides are golden brown. We're done. You can make them light brown, you can make them dark brown. It's up to you. I'm making them a little bit darker. There you go. See how beautiful the color is? I like them a little bit dark. Not too dark, but just like that. Perfect. Turn them over. Let the other side fry. I didn't add any more oil, so it's pretty good. There you go. Almost done. And while they are frying, I made some salad on the other stove. I'm boiling white rice, so I'm going to serve them. Let's see how nice that is. Wow, so good. No need for egg coating, no need for breadcrumbs. Perfect. There you go. Alright, so rice are boiled. I just garnish it with some green onion. I have some cucumber and tomato onion salad ready, and this is my tuna potato cakes ready to be served. Very easy recipe. There's an ingredient card in the beginning of the video. You can check, you can see. If you want to make them, go ahead and make them. Very delicious and very simple recipe. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and do comment if you like it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later.